what's up guys? Mr. Free Coiner coming back to you again today. Hope everyone's doing well and you are taking care of yourselves. Now, before I get started, I do want to say I'm not a financial advisor, and yeah, you guys get the point. All right, looking at the prices here, looking at the market, it is absolutely atrocious. Everything's red. XRP's down. Bitcoin is way down. Yeah, definitely a very substantial dump here. But the upside is that Ripple, or XRP, rather, why am I saying Ripple? XRP is at 25 cents, and I consider this a great buy. Now, I've heard some people think that it's going to go a bit lower. You know, kind of hard to say. It may, it could not. Who knows? But definitely right now is a good time to buy, I feel, and I may or may not have purchased a few more. I have to be careful. My wife doesn't hear me because she will beat me up. Anyway, yeah, guys, so definitely keep an eye on it, but nothing to really be concerned about here. The price is going to be what it is. So let's move on. Back says crypto custody launch imminent. And yes, we already know this. They will be, well, it says here, on September, our warehouse will begin offering secure storage of customer Bitcoin to prepare for the launch of Back Bitcoin Daily and monthly futures when they launch September 23rd. So, yes, I already went over this, guys. This is just a reminder. And also, rumor is that XRP may be a part of this initial launch, but we'll see. That would be very exciting and definitely a good thing. May not, who knows if it'll impact the price. Maybe we will have already seen a price increase. Who knows? That's nearly a month away. So let's go ahead and move on. All right, the article of the day. U.S. banking giant PNC starts using RippleNet for cross-border payments. Now, what's interesting about this is that just about a year ago, another article was released about PNC actually adopting Xcurrent. So here they confirmed they were using Xcurrent. I doubt very seriously a year later they would be confirming using Xcurrent again. So in my mind, I do believe they're actually saying, even though it doesn't say it in here, they are using XRapid. This should tell you guys, this should confirm with you that there is some type of regulation already available. We are just not being told about it. And, you know, if we just use common sense, that absolutely has to be the case. Banks would not even go this far if there was an issue with XRP. So for me, there's no question in my mind. They already know what's going on. As you can see here, it says MoneyGram partnership bearing fruit. As reported, PNC had first revealed its plans to use RippleNet and specifically Ripple's liquidity product, Xcurrent, but this was back in September, as I already mentioned. At the time, the announcement caused the value of Ripple's digital token XRP to soar, in which it's not Ripple's digital token per se, but you know, they insist on doing it that way or saying it that way. But let's move on. At the time of writing, XRP is not seeing a price boost. In keeping with the wider crypto market, the asset is firmly in the red, trading down by around 6% on the day. And guys, in my opinion, as I've mentioned before, it is manipulated down, and there's a reason for that. I'm not going to get into that, but I personally believe the price should be much higher. And as I've said before, you know, I wouldn't doubt it if it was supposed to be around $10. So anyway, moving on. Yet, as Ripple's head of global institutional markets, Brianne M. Madigan, this week indicated, price is not the only parameter company insiders are eyeing. So they are not really concerned about the price. They are more concerned about the volume that's actually newly added, and here they speak of it. Madigan shared fresh data on August 23rd that revealed that while overall XRP trading volume was down nearly 65%, XRP MXN volumes on Mexican crypto exchange in what should be BitMEX surged by over 25% during the same period of time that MoneyGram payments into Mexico using XRP went live. And yes, this is old data, or old news, but definitely important news. So moving on with it, Madigan said the data is a sign of a real use case driving real volume. In June, Ripple had announced its purchase of a 10% stake in MoneyGram, the second largest remittance firm worldwide, as part of a $30 million partnership with the entity. A central stipulation in the deal was that MoneyGram would begin using XRapid. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse later claimed that a year from now, the MoneyGram deal will have a more consequential impact on the crypto markets than the Libra white paper. Guys, a lot of stuff is going on. This is just, of course, old news, but still just kind of scratching the surface. I'm very excited to hear the new things that are going to be coming out this month. And I do believe it's just going to be like a waterfall, guys. That's my opinion, but we'll see. So moving on, XRP will boost MoneyGram's bottom line this year, says former Ripple executive. And Corey Johnson is actually talking about this. And this is, we've already seen that MoneyGram's stock has gone up around $4 or above $4. And, I believe that soon enough we will see an impact on XRP. Again, I think it will have to be a deliberate kind of a release of a hold on the price. But again, guys, these are my opinions. So if you don't agree with that, that's absolutely fine, because I could be wrong. All right. I do want to give thanks to, or a shout out to, XRP researcher. I actually got this article here, the older article, even though it is old. I saw it on one of his tweets. And also XRP Crypto Wolf for providing this particular article. So definitely shouts out to them. And going into XRP researcher's tweet here, as you can see, he says, warning, 100% confirmed facts, PNC Bank starts using RippleNet. PNC owns 22% of BlackRock. BlackRock has $6.5 trillion in assets. BlackRock hires former Ripple executive to lead digital team. Okay, so pulling a few tidbits out of this particular article, it says PNC is ranked 9th on the list of largest banks in the United States by assets. It's the 5th largest bank by number of branches, 6th largest by deposits, and 4th largest in number of ATMs. And let's see. PNC has more than 8 million customers and over 400 billion in assets. PNC Treasury Management is now offering RippleNet-based cross-border payment solutions to its commercial clients. And it says here, but wait, aren't you done yet? PNC owns 22% of BlackRock. BlackRock is the largest asset management firm in the world by assets under management. This ownership interest had a market value of $17.9 billion as of December 31st, 2017. BlackRock has $6.5 trillion in assets under management. And who is BlackRock? It goes on to say American Global Investment Management Corporation, based in New York, founded in 1988, initially as risk management and fixed income institutional asset manager. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager with $6.84 trillion in assets under management as of June 2019. BlackRock operates globally with 70 offices in 30 countries and clients in 100 countries. Due to its power and the sheer size and scope of its financial assets and activities, BlackRock has been called the world's largest shadow bank. So $6 trillion in assets. That's pretty awesome, guys. And again, definitely want to give a shout out to XRP Researcher. He has some good stuff. And also, you might want to go and follow him, because he has another article, or rather another tweet, where he kind of goes in deep on some stuff. And I do believe it's related to this specifically. So, okay, and I think that was all the news I have for you guys. Yeah, that's it. So wanted to show you guys this. All right, so right now it's one of my favorite cars, and of course, you know, I'm a gearhead. I have a 2016 Camaro myself, and I've done quite a lot of work to it, you know, with my own hands. And I have a Chevy Avalanche that I work on, you know, whenever anything goes wrong or if I need to do whatever to it. So all in all, though, once everything goes ballistic here, you can bet this will be sitting in my garage. Let me know what type of exotic or supercar or whatever type of car you like. Let me know what you would get once XRP hits a $100 value. So yeah, this is me, and I'll go ahead and show you guys what my current car looks like. This is my 2016 Camaro. It is an SS, so that means it does have the V8, the LT1 engine in it. And I've done a few things to it, but if you guys want to get more information on it and find out all the things that have been done to it, please go over to my other channel. It's called DB71. That's DB71. Go over there and subscribe, and make sure you check out my videos. I would definitely appreciate that. And guys, if you haven't already done so on this channel, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button and the post notification button. I really appreciate all the participation, guys. I do. And the comments and everything you guys have to say, I do take heed to it. And, you know, any of you leaving some not so great comments, well, I read those too. And you know what? If it's necessary, I just ignore it. Okay, guys, that's all for now. Until next time, this has been Mr. Freecoiner. Take care of yourselves, and God bless.